Welcome to Tiny Epics. A lot of you viewers out there leave me comments from time to time asking which books are a good place to begin when it comes to learning more about Greek mythology. I began my own journey with Edith Hamilton's mythology collection. She really has a special touch when it comes to bringing together all the different versions of the myths in a way that's concise and easy to follow. This is why I recommend her collection titled Mythology, Timeless Tales of Gods and Heroes, as a great place for beginners to start learning. Even if, like me, you own an original copy of her book from the Stone Age, there is a glorious, new and improved one that I think you'll really enjoy. I got the 75th anniversary edition hardcover from Amazon, and I have to say, I really love it. First of all, it's simply beautiful to look at and makes a really nice addition to my mythology collection. The book has an inviting velvet texture, along with a bronze foil that slightly glows when it catches the light. And inside, you'll get some stunning artwork by the illustrator Jim Tierney. Another thing I really like are the various family trees you'll find inside. Greek mythology can get confusing very quickly with all the many, many gods, maidens, heroes, and monsters, along with all of their offspring, of course. But these guides help keep everything straight, especially if, like me, you have a tendency to sometimes get the names a little bit mixed up. I'll give you a short reading from the book to give you an idea of what to expect inside, starting with Chapter 1 titled The Gods. She writes, Zeus and his brothers drew lots for their share of the universe. The sea fell to Poseidon, and the underworld to Hades. Zeus became the supreme ruler. He was Lord of the Sky, the rain god and the cloud gatherer, who wielded the awful thunderbolt. His power was greater than that of all the other divinities together. In the Iliad, he tells his family, I am mightiest of all. Make trial that you may know. Fasten a rope of gold to heaven and lay hold every god and goddess. You could not drag down Zeus, but if I wished to drag you down, then I would. That was just a little taste. If you want your own copy, I've added a link to where you can get it in the description and also in the comments section of this video. This is not a paid sponsorship from Amazon, by the way, but if you order your copy from the special link I've provided, a portion of the sale will go to me and I will invest it directly back into this channel. So with your order, you'll not only be receiving a book you can treasure, but also helping the channel to stay afloat and to grow. Currently, this link is good for the US store, which is where most of you viewers out there are located. I'll be offering more book suggestions in future videos, so be sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay epic.